Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OnePlus CE Lite to an Android device. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then use the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of OnePlus. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on OnePlus, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and hit Receive. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and finally point it at the code. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!